Are you looking for dental care? Are you suffering from bad breath, gingivitis, bleeding gums? Do you want to have a fresher breath? Do you want to take care of your teeth? Well, there's this one thing you can do each day that will help you to achieve your goal. There's this product here, and it's a great product, and you could try it, and you could see for yourself that this product is really a great product. It says what it's promised to do. You can go ahead and get more information about this product down in the description section of my video. You could scroll down and click on the link. It will take you into the site where you could order this product and get a lot more information about this great dental oral product that will help your teeth. So go ahead and please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button. Please go ahead and share this video on your social media site. Let your friends know. Go ahead. If you're having dental issues, your breath is bad, you have coffee stains on your teeth, there's this one thing you can do each day that will help you with all these problems. So go ahead and please scroll down in the bottom of the video, and you'll see a link that you could click on, and you could take you into the site where you could order this product. Thank you for watching. Are you looking for dental